So guys, welcome back. In the last video we have seen the installation of code blocks. If you haven't seen that video, I'm giving the link in description box. So please watch that video and then come back so that it will be easy for you to do all the programs. So today we are coming back to a subject. So let's see what is the structure of a Cpp program. The structure of a Cpp program consists of three parts. They are the standard library section. Standard library means it's a package of all the functions that we are using in our program. So whenever we use a particular function in our program, we'll have to include the corresponding standard library into our program. The second part of the Cpp structure is the main function section. This is where we write the programs. The third part is the function body. We have already created the main function, and I told you that all programs will be written inside this main function. That program is called the function body. Hope you understood the structure. Now we'll see the structure in code blocks. So when you open code blocks, you will get a screen like this. Click on file menu, select new, empty file. Then you will get an empty file. Save this file. In the dialog box that appears, give the file name. Here I am giving hello. After that, you will have to give the extension of the file, that is .cpp, so that the compiler can understand that this is a CPP file. Select the appropriate location to save your file. Make sure that you are choosing the right file type, that is C or CPP files. Click on save. Now you have a CPP file here. Now let's start programming. So the structure of a CPP program starts with standard library section. So the syntax to include the library is as follows: hash include opening angle bracket IOStream, close the angle bracket. Here IOStream is a standard library where all the input-output functions that we use in a program are defined. After this statement, we have another statement, that is the namespace statement, that is using namespace std and a semicolon. Namespace means it defines all the names that we use in a program. I'll define it later. After that, we have the main function section, that is int main, open and close the parenthesis, open and close the curly braces. This is the main function, and it is inside this function, that is inside this curly braces, we write a program, and the program is called the function body, or the third part of the structure of CPP program. So let's print something on the screen. To print something on the screen, we have a function, that is cout. The cout function is defined in the library IOStream. It also have another function called cin to read something from or to input something from user. The syntax of cout is as follows: cout double opening angle brackets. Anything that you write inside the double quotes will be displayed on the screen. So here I am just writing hello. Don't forget to put a semicolon at the end of the statement. Semicolon is known as the statement terminator. After that, we'll write a return statement, a semicolon. Don't worry about the function and the return statement. We'll discuss about functions deeply later. Now click on the build menu. Click on build. You can see some messages displaying here. Once it shows build finished, click on build, click on run. See, this hello is our output. Now let's check some other statements. I'm giving here welcome. Just save the file. In order to build, you can click either on this build menu, or you can click here the build icon. After that, this play button is the run button. If you want to build and run the program simultaneously, you can click on this button. So here I am clicking on this button. The build is finished and the output is displayed. Welcome. So today we have discussed about the structure of a CPP program. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment. We'll discuss about the keywords, data types, etc. in the next classes. Thank you for watching.